Hey people, welcome to this two is, and today we're gonna be opening up this package that I ordered from Thiztool. It's my first time ordering since the last video that I made when I got my drill press from them, and it came a little bit damaged. But we're gonna see how they packaged it this time. Because the last time it didn't have much, if any, protection from the drill press banging around in the box. And yeah, it's pretty much the same again, but this time, as you see the last time I didn't really show you guys. I don't remember, but the video's up if you guys want to go back. But see, it doesn't have any kind of bubble wrap, and since this is coming from the outlet, the Ryobi factory outlet, you know, it just comes just like that. They just put it in a box and mail it over to you. So we're gonna see what came in here. Here's the charger. Came with a charger. Came with a battery, 4 amp. The instructions. The front part, Whisper series. The little clamp where it clamps on. And here's the main part. Let me move this box out the way. So yeah, basically I just wanted to make this video so you guys can see how the Thiztool ship their stuff out. You know, like I said, you know, it's an outlet store, so therefore, you know, I don't know, this stuff could have been like returned. Maybe it didn't work and they fixed it. Some of this stuff is refurbished, reconditioned, blemished. It could be whatever, you know. That's why you get the discount. But I still think that they could do a little better of a job when they're mailing the stuff out. They could put a little bit of bubble wrap at least, so it's not bouncing around. Like I said, on this one it didn't really matter because it's all mostly just plastic, and the box didn't have that much empty space. But the last time the other one that I ordered, and it had the drill press in there. You know, the drill press weighs a lot, so when it's inside of the big old box and it's just the drill press in there and it's bouncing around everywhere, it's bound to get damaged, you know. And like I said, you know, because of the heaviness of it, you know, if they threw it or tossed it or dropped it, you know, that's all it takes for it to get damaged. But you'll see a little clip of how the damage that I got from it. But like I said, it wasn't that bad where I wanted to return it or anything. I went ahead and kept it, so obviously, you know, it wasn't that big of a deal. Okay, let's see. Let's put this thing together. And we'll put the battery in there right now. See how it sounds. So I think they have one that looks almost similar to this, but it's the 40 volt. So it got the big old battery. I just wanted to have the regular battery because this isn't for me. I bought it as a gift for somebody else. So and they already have this platform, so I figured, you know, they'll be okay. But we're just gonna go ahead and turn it on real quick, just so you can see how it sounds. That's the regular, and then if you squeeze on the trigger and push this button on the top that says turbo, that's supposed to be, you know, to make it fast. So definitely you could tell the difference when you push the turbo button. But other than that, it's pretty basic. And basically, you know, this video was just to show the way that it came in, you know, the way that it was packaged inside of the box and all that, just to compare it to the way that it was the previous time. But yeah, besides that, I only ordered a little tape measure. I got this Ryobi 25-inch or Ryobi 25-inch tape, and what I like about this one is that it actually has the fractions right there. I I don't know if you can see it, but between the inches it has the actual fractions right there, so you could get the exact measurement. So I thought that was pretty neat. Not a lot of them have that. They usually just have the line. But I mean, even though, you know, it's not that hard to tell, some people do need this. But it's just, you know, a lot of these different tape measures have different little things to them. They're all not the same. Like another thing that I learned not too long ago is that most of the tape measures, if you look in the back right here, see how this one says 3 inches? Well, it says 3. That's usually the distance between here to there. That way, when you're measuring something and you know, like say you're measuring something up against a wall and you don't know the exact measurement, well, wherever it ends, you just add those 3 inches. And we'll put that to the test right now. Let me see. It says 3. So we'll put it here. And there it is, 3. See? So whatever you measure, just take a look at your tape measure, and a lot of the times you'll see that in the back it has the measurement of the front to the back. That way, if, like I said, if you measure something up against the wall, you can just add whatever it says back there to your measurement, and you should be good. All right, people. Well, like I said, I just wanted to show this real quick, just to get an update on the way they package their stuff. So just keep on doing what you do. Don't let nobody say you can't do anything. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next go around. Bye. Yeah, people. So I don't know if you guys remember or seen the video where I had showed the damage that I had received before, but it's right here. See how this is dented up right here? And it goes all the way around to the other side, right here in the front. And then it goes right here on the side. All this part, let's see, all this part right here is dented all the way to the back. And then that part right there is cracked. I mean, it still opens up and all that, but this clip is supposed to grab the that clip right there is supposed to grab the lid shut, but it doesn't. It's, you know, it's bent out of place. You know, when they packed it in the box, they just they used a big old box, man. That thing was like probably twice as big as the as this drill press right here, and they didn't put you know, bubble wrap or anything to secure it, so it was just sliding around the whole box all around. So I'm pretty sure it got damaged. I don't know if it got damaged before they sent it out or while it was en route or what, but it got all banged up. See right there, you can see how it's all bent. So I did a video on it, and people thought that I was trying to talk bad about the company, which I wasn't, because I've ordered a lot of things from them before, and they all came pretty, everything has worked. I don't have any complaints besides this one time where the stuff came damaged, you know, banged up. But that's about it, you know. I never try to say anything bad about the company. I was just saying, you know, to expect that may happen when you're ordering from an outlet, you know, because obviously, you know, I don't know if this stuff has been returned or what, because, you know, it's, you know, some of the things say refurbished, or some of the things say blemished. So, you know, you just don't know exactly what you're gonna get. I mean, it wasn't that bad where I wanted to send it back or get a refund or nothing. I just went ahead and kept it, you know. As far as the bandsaw, that came pretty cool, intact. But yeah, just thought I'd show you real quick in case you didn't see the video where I talked about this. And with that being said, people, if you like talking about tools, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.